Fruit eating hacks I just found out. 7. Watermelon, cut it in half and slice it horizontally a few times, then vertically a few times. You can eat it straight up, super convenient this way. Now my mom won't have to worry about me getting watermelon juice all over my face. 6. A cantaloupe, cut off the top and scoop out the seeds, slice it vertically twice, trim the sides, and then cut it evenly. It's so neatly done that guests will be impressed. 5. Dragon fruit, slice off the top and bottom, then cut it in half. Make 3 vertical cuts and 2 horizontal cuts into the flesh. Finally, go around the edge of the skin, and you can eat it piece by piece. For kiwi, cut off the ends, insert a spoon close to the skin, rotate it around, and the kiwi slides right out. 3. Pineapple, slice off the top, cut it in half, and make several horizontal and vertical cuts following its texture. Soak it in salt water. This way, it's clean and sanitary to eat. 2. Pomegranate, draw a square on the top, cut it open, and slice downwards along the membranes. Break each half apart and tap the back, and you'll have a full plate of pomegranate seeds. 1. Grapefruit, slice off both ends, peel off the skin, make a cut in the center, and make a small incision. Pull apart the membranes. With a simple pull, you get a plate full of fruit segments. Follow me for more handy tips.